I just wanted to introduce my video. So we went to Sprouts today. We went today at like 7 in the morning, right when they opened. And so here's a Sprouts haul for you. Typically I'll shop at Trader Joe's, Sprouts, and then Target and Whole Foods is kind of ones that I'll go to switch it up. And then I added a little pantry organization and fridge organization just to add a little something so it wasn't just a grocery haul. And this should be one of my first or few videos, so welcome to my channel. It's going to be full of lifestyle videos, and I will show you my upcoming video ideas in my little Erin Condren. That's another video that I would have, is reviewing an Erin Condren, so hope you enjoy. So I watch a lot of YouTube in my free time. It's kind of one of my hobbies, or just something that I'm really into. I'm a very visual person, so I would much rather watch a video than hear about it or otherwise. So here are some video ideas, a lot of stuff that I would like to see on my channel. I think it's going to be kind of a lifestyle channel. I do have a boyfriend, so maybe some boyfriend related videos. I don't have any kids yet, so it's not really going to be mom based or kid based, but I would like to, so I wrote everything down into my little Erin Condren, and I could even do stuff like that, just like very specific stuff that I have, like an Erin Condren planner I have. A lot of stuff will be review based. I do a lot of big brand, I buy a lot of big brands, so the more popular, I figured, the more people would want to know, you know, is it worth the money or not. I'm more likely to be a person to just try it out for myself. And I'd be more than happy to do a lot of reviews before anyone buys anything big. So I was thinking clean with me's, because I love watching those time lapses. We're buying a new house, so the house construction, the tour, decorated and empty. Once again, I do a lot of shopping, so I was thinking book reviews, clothing hauls, makeup reviews, like big brands, Anastasia, Becca, Tarte. I buy all of them. Bookshelf tour, I'm a big bookie, so lots of books related videos. Anything teaching related, maybe a classroom tour when I share my classroom with a co-teacher, so you know, whenever it's empty and available. Plan with me. Once again, I'm really into the Erin Condren world, and grocery hauls, organization tips. So yeah, just keep watching if you are interested in any of those. Okay, so this is our Sprouts haul. We already started unloading a bit. We got all of this for about $60, and we got mostly fresh items, nothing that's frozen. So we got some strawberries, we got shirts. Okay, I was a little bit out of focus for a while. So we got some avocado hummus. My boyfriend and I went to Flower Child a couple days ago, and I really like their avocado hummus, but Flower Child is expensive to keep going to every day, so I figured I might as well just see if any grocery stores had some, and Sprouts ended up having some, so I'll have to try it out, see if it's like Flower Child's. I got 2 cucumbers for some vegetarian sandwiches. My boyfriend wanted some eggs, so we got the organic, like free range jumbo brown ones, as healthy as possible. Some edamame is like a really good snack. These ones you can just microwave, or if you want to cook them a little bit naturally than a microwave, you can put it in the stove with water till they're cooked fully. But those are really good with some Himalayan sea salt that I use. It's right here. I like to use this Himalayan sea salt with the edamame. It's a pretty good snack. Some watermelon. This is a Sprouts brand Pirate Booty. I wanted some plain bagels, and I usually like to get the Dave's Killer Bread in all my breads. Then we got Boom & Berry for him, and then I like Power Seed for toast, and peanut butter, and then banana. And we got some cuties They look pretty good. I think they're in season. And so I got the plain bagels for like strawberries, peanut butter, Nutella, peanut butter, and then I like this, what are these called? I forgot, almond shavings, which is an idea I got from Einstein Bagels, another restaurant that we like. We used to go to it more when we were in college. And then 2 avocados, just because I already have like 3. So I didn't get that many. And then some pita. I usually just like to get whole wheat. I don't really specify on brands for that. And then this is like brand specific. The So Delicious Dairy-Free Organic Creamer. I liked the caramel, so I was going to try the French vanilla one. And then we just got some lemonade. And that is everything we got. Focus. Everything we got from Sprouts. Okay, so as far as pantry organization, I like everything in a specific order on a specific shelf, so I'm gonna go through. We have just a very basic apartment. This is our little quick span of our kitchen. So our kitchen's kind of just like on one wall. We are an apartment, and then this is our pantry where it's located. So starting at the top, we have Lipton teas, just like a backup because we have a bunch in the fridge. A stock pile of mac and cheese, and then some chia seeds. We have different kinds of oats. So we have, these are kind of the instant oats. So steel cut maple brown sugar. And then a cinnamon kind, and I believe a vanilla one. So those are all. Okay, my battery died. So we have our different instant oats up there, kind of the ones that come in the packets. You can just add hot water and you got your breakfast. This is the second shelf. So you can clearly see the Dave's Killer Bread right there, a smoothie mix, some granola, and then this is kind of what I wanted to share was my organization. So I put actual steel cut oats in a little container, some cereal, that's one of my favorite kinds of cereals, so I kind of have its own label because I know continuously rebuy. And then rice, once again, long grain white rice is something I typically rebuy over and over, so it has its own container. And then this cereal, Cheerios Oat Crunch, so it's like Cheerios and oats. Haven't tried it, but it looks promising. And then moving on, whoop, drop the bread. Moving on to the next shelf, once again, I have pita chips in their own containers, nuts with its own label, some more, some pumpkin seeds, and more nut related snacks. And then we just go into the cans. Hazelnut spread, a bunch of cans between some almond butter, and then these just kind of like go all the way back. Between chili, beans, all of it, and then like way back there. So our pantry is like super thin, but it's super deep. Coconut flour, cacao powders back there. So kind of those powders that come in bags are back there. This next shelf is just strictly snacks. So this one is kind of this popcorn bag. We actually got it like when we moved into this apartment complex. They gave it to us, so it was like full of popcorn. It was pretty cute, but this kind of has like the like indulgent snacks like the Twix and whatnot. And then Pirate Booty is lined up right here with trail mix, and then boxes. And I got this little like, so we're building a house right now, so the KB Home just kind of like gave us free goodies. But what I like to put inside of this is these little almond spreads that I love to take to work. And so it's kind of like you're taking like almond butter I'd say my favorite brand is this one, the nut butter. And it tells you the ingredients right on there, so it says like no BS because it tells you what's inside right on the front. But I got this little container and I like to put it really anywhere in the pantry, but it holds all of my butters that I like to take on the go. And then more snackage down here. I got this little container from college and just kind of had it because in college like all you can have is like this much food. But now it's just turned into this snack. So obviously you can see just like chips and then another snack one such as we have little banana chips in there. Just stuff that can kind of be thrown around. And then we have our lunch pills. We have about 3 and really anything extra storage. And the fridge is going to be right here. On top, this isn't really organization, but I have my little Rise and Grind bottles. I think they're super cute. I think they're only 12 ounces, so they're small. And then we have just like a magnet collection. Some coupons. I got to clip it with a magnet. So like these little chip clips come with magnets, so I kind of clipped all our coupons. We have like a random free Redbox movie, some Old Navy Super Cash. This is a school calendar, and then we have a little chores list and schedule. Once again, anything magnet obviously is going to stick to our fridge. So we have our schedule after work to do chores. It's just something to commit to eat dinner together, make dinner. And then we can have some free time, kind of like the self-care. Like that's when I like to do my face masks, shower after a long day. And then we also, for accountability, wrote down chores that we're willing to do so it doesn't become a fight. It was actually our first year living together and our first year anniversary just came up. So I think little tricks like that, putting your name on something, what are you willing to contribute to? Like his is trash, that's a big one for me. I'm not necessarily so willingly to do trash, so. And then just some fun little magnet pictures and magnets. But yeah, going back to the chore list, I think the fights have diminished between us, like the petty fights, almost instantly after that list was created, because once again your name's on it, so you kind of have an accountability right then and there. So our fridge was recently decluttered. Something kind of that has to be worked on. I mean our freezer, well both. Our freezer and fridge was recently decluttered, and I think I have that cleaning video, but so this is kind of it at its best moments. So I got just anything that could fit in the door. Sherbet is more for my rosé. I really just eat sherbet plain. And little ice packs. We have ice machine. That was just kind of from college. Literally never got rid of it. And a little side pack. So really anything that can fit in the door fits in the door. Ice packs. We've been using those a lot for migraines and whatnot. And then we have mozzarella sticks, a halo top, which is like healthy ice cream, some hash browns, and then little pastas that fit in the door. So anything that fits in the door is in there, is on the door. This is our little ice section. It literally takes up half of the freezer. So that kind of leaves us with not much. So organization is key for this freezer. So, yeah, just anything frozen. We got 2 huge things of ice cream, our favorite brand, and frozen fruits for smoothies. Really only like 1 frozen pizza fits in here at a time, but it kind of helps because like to keep from buying useless food. And then fridge organization, butters are in that top. Really anything that fits on the side doors is going to be like condiments typically. And then wines, margarita mixers, creamers, and then we got like Gatorades down there. We have 2 drawers. I usually like to put like lettuce, kind of just like fresh produce in here, because so it's not like rolling around like the avocados, and then cheese and butters. Then this row is just like a stack of coffee, stack of hummus, and just like boxed containers. And then in that back on the next shelf, so this one's kind of like drinks, that back area is drinks, leftovers, and once again boxes. And then at the top is typically going to be those gallon drinks, the almond milks, the teas, and all that.